Hello everyone. Let's see today mathematics standard question paper 23-24 set 1 objective type questions and their answers. So this video will help you to find out how many questions you attempted correct in objective, how many marks you scored in objective. Now let's start. Question number 1. If you see question number 1, in question number 1 it is given that ax plus by is equal to a square minus b square, one equation, and bx plus ay is equal to 0 is another equation. Okay, so from these two equations, by using these two equations, we have to find the value of x plus y. Now let's see how to do. Take the equation 2 because it is simple. We know bx plus ay is equal to 0. Let us find out one of the variable from this equation. I am finding y value. So ay is equal to minus bx. So from this what we get, y is equal to minus bx by a. Now we have to substitute this value in equation 1. Then what we get, ax plus b into minus bx by a is equal to a square minus b square. Now from this we should take LCM. So when you take LCM, a will be LCM. So here we need to multiply. Here we need to multiply a to the first term. So we get a square x minus plus into minus minus b square x by a is equal to a square minus b square. I hope you understood this step. Now in the numerator we have x common. So if you take x common, it will be a square minus b square by a into x is equal to a square minus b square. Now to get the x value, we have to transpose this a square minus b square by a that side. Then we get x is equal to a square minus b square by a. No, not. So a square minus b square into a by a square minus b square. So this a square minus b square by a will become a by a square minus b square. So now these two will be cancelled here. Finally we get x is equal to a. We got the value of x is equal to a. Value of x we got a. Now this should be substituted in equation 3. Let us take this as 3. Okay, now this x is equal to a should be substituted in 3. Then we get y is equal to minus b by a into x value is again a. So a cancel, y is equal to minus b. So the value of y is what? Minus b. We want x plus y value. So x is a plus of b, y is what? Minus b, plus of minus b. So what we get? X plus y is equal to a plus of minus b, which is a minus b. So this is the answer. X is equal to a minus b. X is equal to a minus b. Which option? Option C is correct. So question number 1 option is, let's take this red. Question number 1 option is C. Option C. Now let's see next question. Let's see question number 2. In question number 2, we have HCF of two numbers. It is given that HCF of 65 comma 104 is equal to 13, it is given, and LCM is also given. LCM of 65 comma 104 is given as 40x. We know one concept, LCM into HCF is equal to product of two numbers. Product of two numbers. So by using this formula, substitute the values. LCM is 40x into HCF is 13 is equal to product of two numbers. What are the two numbers? 65 and 104. 65 into 104. Now we want x value. So x is equal to 65 into 104. Transpose this 40 and 13 that side, it will be divided. 40 into 13 will be in the denominator like this after transposing. Now we can cancel 13 ones, 13 fives, 65, again 5 ones, 5 eights, Again 8 ones, 8 13s are 104. So finally we got x is equal to 13. So x is equal to 13 is correct answer. X is equal to 13 is option B. Question number 2 is option B. Now let's see question number 3. Question number 3 is about polynomials, that is p of x is given as p of x is equal to x square minus 5x plus 6. This is a simple question. We have to find out p of 1 plus p of 4. So what is p of 1? P of 1 is equal to 1 square minus 5 into 1 plus 6, which is 1 minus 5 plus 6, which is 7 minus 5, that is 2. Now P of 4 is equal to 4 square minus 5 into 4 plus 6, which is 16. 4 square is 16 minus 5 into 4 is 20 plus 6. 16 plus 6 22, so that is 22 minus 20. 22 minus 20. 22 minus 20 is also 2. So what is P of 1 plus P of 4? P of 1 plus P of 4 is 2 plus 2, which is 4. So 4 is the answer. Which option? Option B is correct. Question number 3, option B is correct. Now let's see question number 4, how to solve. Question number 4. In question number 4, equation is given 3x square minus 2x plus c is equal to 0, and discriminant is also given. Discriminant we represent with capital D, that is given as 16. So what is discriminant formula? We have to use discriminant formula here, that is b square minus 4ac is given as 16. In this, what is b? Minus 2. B is minus 2, a is 3, c is c itself. So we have to substitute. B square is minus 2 whole square minus 4 into a is 3, c is c itself. So that is what is equal to 16 we have to take. Now this is minus 2 whole square is 4 minus 12c is equal to 16. Transpose 4 that side, we get minus 12c is equal to 16 minus 4. Minus 12c is equal to plus 12. So now c is equal to 12 by minus 12, which is minus 1. So what is answer? C is equal to minus 1 is correct answer. Option C is correct. Question number 4, option C is correct. Now let's see question number 5. In question number 5 is about arc subtends an angle of 90 degrees at the center of the circle, then the ratio of its length to the circumference of the circle. So here we have to draw a circle and take some arc. Let us take, this is the arc, and it is mentioned that that arc is making 90 degrees at the center. Arc is making 90 degrees at the center. Now we have to find out ratio of length to the total circumference. So what is the length of the arc formula? Let us find out length first. Length is what? 90 by 360 formula. Let us write first formula, that is theta by 360 into 2 pi r. This is what length of the arc. It is given 90 here. So length of the arc is 90 by 360 into 2 pi r. 90 ones are 94s are, 2 ones are 2 twos are. So length of the arc is what? Pi r by 2. And what is the circumference of the circle? 2 pi r. We have to find ratio of these two. So what it is? Pi r by 2 is to 2 pi r we have to find. So here pi r will be cancelled. Then we get ratio length of the arc is to circumference of the circle is equal to 1 by 2 is to 2 we get. But that option is not there. So both first term and second term both should be multiplied by 2. So that can be written as 1 by 2 into 2 is to 2 into 2. 2 cancel here. So what we got finally? 1 is to 4. So the answer is 1 is to 4. 1 is to 4 is in which option? 1 is to 4 is option B. So question number 5 is option B again. 1 is to 4. And if you remember that length of the arc and circumference of the circle depends on the angle at the center. So what theta is 90, no, 90 by 360. Here the ratio is 1 is to 4. So there also your ratio will be 9 is to 4. But if you want to more clear, you have to do like this. So finally the ratio is 1 is to 4. Now let's see question number 6. Question number 5 is option B. Question number 6 it is given. Question number 6 is about the area of the sector of a circle of radius 12 centimeters is 60 pi centimeter square. So in question number 6 it is given area of a sector. Area of a sector formula is what? Area of sector is given. Let us write that 60 pi centimeter square, and the angle radius is given. The area of the sector of a circle of radius 12 centimeters. R is also given. R is equal to 12 centimeters. We have to find the central angle at the center. What is the area of a sector formula? Area of sector is equal to theta by 360 into pi r square. So we have to equate these two. So what theta by 360 into pi r square is equal to 60 pi. In both pi we can cancel. We have to find theta here. Theta by 360 into r is given. We can substitute r. R square means what? 12 square. 12 square is 144. 144 is equal to 60. Now theta is equal to 60 into 360 by 144, because it will become reciprocal. After sending that side, 144 will be divided, 360 will be multiplied. Now by 12 table, 12 12 is a 144, 12 5 is a 60, and here 12 1 is a 12, 12 30 is a 360. So theta is equal to 5 into 30, which is 150 degrees. 150 degrees is option D. So question number 6 is option D. Option D. What is question number 7? If the difference of mode and median, yeah, this is some, it takes time from statistics. It is, we have to use empirical relation here. Let's start in another page. Now question number 7. In question number 7 it is given difference of mode and median. So mode minus median it is given. Mode minus median is equal to 24 it is given. We have to find out difference of median and mean. So we have to get median minus mean. We have to find out this. We have a empirical relation formula called as formula between mean, median, mode. That is, mode is equal to 3 median minus 2 mean. So by this, let's send this 3 median this side. Then we get mode minus 3 median is equal to minus 2 mean. Now let's arrange this mode minus 3 median as mode minus median minus 2 median. I am arranging this 3 median only as minus median, again minus 2 median is equal to minus 2 mean as it is. Now this value we have given, how much it is? 24. So substitute 24 here, and the result will be 24 minus 2 median is equal to minus 2 mean. So transpose 24 that side, minus 2 median that side, we get 24 is equal to minus 2 mean plus 2 median. Now we can take 2 common. 24 is equal to 2 if you take common. Median minus mean we get. Median is positive here. Median minus mean. Now transpose to that side. Therefore we get median minus mean is equal to 24 by 2, which is 12. So final answer, median minus mean is equal to 12. Option A. Question number 7, option A is correct. Now let's see next question. Question number 8. Question number 8 is about dice. The probability of getting an odd numbers on both the dice. We want odd numbers on both the dice, and we have to remember here sample space. When we toss two dice, sample space will be 1 comma 1, then 1 comma 2, 1 comma 3, like that, so on up to 6 comma 6. So how many total number of observations will be there? 36 total number of observations will be there. We want favorable outcomes now. What are favorable outcomes? Let us take that event as E. Then the favorable outcomes will be, we want on both the dice, we want the probability of getting odd numbers on both the dice. So what? One is 1 comma 1, 1 comma 3, 1 comma 5. Next one is 3 comma 1, 3 comma 3, 3 comma 5. Similarly, we can write 5 comma 1, 5 comma 3, 5 comma 5. So total, how many we got? E, n of E is equal to, we do not get other than these. Now these favorable outcomes, if you observe, both will be odd numbers. On both the dice, it will be odd numbers. So how many outcomes we have? 9 outcomes we have. This is 9. So then probability of getting odd numbers on both the dice is what? 9 by 36. What is the answer? 9 by 36 only. It is not in the simplest form. 9 by 36 we got. 9 by 36 is option D. So question number 8 is option D. Probability question, option D. Now question number 9. Question number 9 is from surface areas and volumes. Here what it is given, we have to find the ratio of total surface area of a solid hemisphere to the square of its radius is. For a solid hemisphere, TSA of solid hemisphere is what? 3 pi r square. And what is the square of the radius? Square of the radius means it is just r square. We have to find out the ratio of these two. Therefore, ratio will be what? 3 pi r square is to r square. After cancellation, we get 3 pi is to 1. So the ratio is 3 pi is to 1. Option C is correct. Ratio of total surface area of solid hemisphere to the square of its radius. So like this we have to follow. We have to remember the formula and then find out the ratio. Question number 9 is done. Option C is correct. Now question number 10 is from trigonometry. Question number 10, trigonometry, it is given. In trigonometry, what information is given? Sin theta is equal to 1. It is given that sin theta is equal to 1. Sin theta is equal to 1. We have to find out half sin theta by 2. When sin theta is equal to 1, we have to remember it is sin 90 degrees. Okay, 1 means we can write it as sin 90 degrees. That gives us theta is equal to 90 degrees. If theta is equal to 90 degrees, substitute theta is equal to 90 degrees in the question. Half sine 90 by 2, because theta is 90, 90 by 2. That is half sine 45 degrees. That is half sine 45 degrees is 1 by root 2. So 1 by root 2. That is half, that is 1 by 2 root 2. 1 by 2 root 2 is the correct option. 1 by 2 root 2 is option A. Option A. Question number 10 is done. Now question number 11. In question number 11, two lines are given to be parallel. The equation of one line is, we want, question number 11, one equation is given, 5x minus 3y is equal to 2. Now we want another equation such that given two equations are parallel, so that two equations are parallel. Here we have to remember the condition. When two lines are parallel, we know a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is not equal to c1 by c2. So you have to select an equation such that it satisfies the condition. So here that condition will be satisfied by the equation minus 15x plus 9y is equal to 5. You have to go through the options and then select the correct option. Remaining options we are not getting parallel condition, so only option D gives you the values of a2, b2, c2 such that the condition is satisfied. So option D is correct. Now let us check whether it is satisfying or not. A1 by a2 is what? 5 by minus 15, which is minus 1 by 3. This is a1 by a2. Next b1 by b2. b1 by b2 is minus 3 by 9. Again this is also minus 1 by 3. But c1 by c2 is 2 by 5. So by this we understand a1 by a2 minus 3 or minus 1 by 3, b1 by b2 minus 1 by 3, but c1 by c2 is 2 by 5. So finally what we got, a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is not equal to c1 by c2. So our this equation option D is correct, parallel line to the given line. This is question number 11. Option D is correct. Now coming to option D, question number 12. In question number 12, it is given that sum of three terms of AP. I told you many times, whenever sum of three terms are given, so sum of three terms are given, you take the three terms of AP as A minus D. Let the three terms be A minus D, A and A plus D. Sum of three terms is given as 30. So you can take it as A minus D plus A plus D is equal to 30. It is given. So in this what happens? Minus D plus D will be cancelled. Then we get 3A is equal to 30. Then A is equal to 30 by 3. Then A is equal to 10. So A is equal to 10 is the correct answer. Option B is correct. Option B is correct. Question number 12, option B is correct. Now let's see the next question. Question number 13. Question number 13 is triangles. It is about basic proportionality theorem. So here let's draw the triangle to understand better. So this is the figure, like this it is given, and in this a line is parallel. Here line is parallel to BC. DE is parallel to BC, it is given. So A, B, C, DE is parallel to BC. We know DE is parallel to BC, and we also know AD is equal to 4. AB is equal to 9. Total AB is equal to 9. And AC we know 13.5. AC we know 13.5. We have to find out EC. EC we have to find out. So here when AB is equal to 9 and AD is equal to 4, we can find out BD. BD is equal to AB minus AD, which is 5. So this is 4, this is 5, clear. Now similarly, we want to find out EC. Let's take EC be X. If EC is X, AE will be 13.5 minus X. Now we can use easily basic proportionality theorem. That is what AD by BD or DB is equal to AE by EC. Now let's substitute these values. AD is 4 by BD is 5 is equal to AE is 13.5 minus X by EC is X. By cross multiplication we get 4X is equal to 5 into 13.5 minus X. That is 4X is equal to 5 into 13.5 minus 5x. Transpose minus 5x here. 4x plus 5x is 9x. 9x is equal to 13.5 into 5. X is equal to 13.5 into 5 by 9. Now we can cancel it. 9 ones are 9. 0.95 is a 45. So 1.5 into 5, that gives x is equal to 1.5 into 5 is 7.5. So x is equal to 7.5 centimeters. So where is 7.5? Option B. Option B is correct. Question number 13. Option B is correct. Let's see next question. Question number 14. Now in question number 14, it is about applications of trigonometry. In applications of trigonometry also we need a figure, right angle triangle. Now question is about we get a right angle triangle when we draw the figure. So here the question is given, they both are same. Which two are same? In the question it is mentioned that length of the shadow of a tower is equal to its height. So in this question, let's take this is height. Let's take it as x. This is also x. We have to find out this angle. So you can remember, whenever in a triangle opposite side and adjacent side are equal, uh, angle will be 45 degrees. So how can we do it? Because we know opposite and adjacent side, we have to take tan theta ratio. We know tan theta is equal to opposite by adjacent, that is x by x. So x cancel, that is 1. So we get tan theta is equal to, at what angle tan value is for 1? At 45 degrees tan value is 1. So tan theta is equal to tan 45 degrees, then theta is equal to 45 degrees. So here which option is correct? Option B. Question number 14, option B is correct. Now question number 15. Question number 15 is about again circles. So here geometry, circles. Now what, again let's draw the figure to understand better. A figure. Here what it is given? Two tangents are given. Two tangents. Let's draw from here. This is one tangent and this is another tangent, are given like this. Then these 2 points are joined. These 2 points are joined. Right. Now here this point is A, this is B, this is C. This angle we have to find out. This angle is given 42 degrees. And in this figure we know AB is equal to AC. You know why AB is equal to AC? Because lengths of tangents drawn from external point to the circle are equal. AB and AC are equal. So triangle ABC is isosceles triangle. Angle ABC will be equal to angle ACB is given as 42 degrees. Now take the sum of three angles in a triangle, that is angle ABC plus angle ACB. 1 minute. Angle ACB plus angle BAC is equal to 180 degrees. So here 42 plus again 42 plus angle BAC is equal to 180 degrees. So angle BAC is equal to 180 minus 84 degrees. So angle BAC is equal to 96 degrees. Angle BAC is equal to 96 degrees. Option A is correct. Question number 15, option A is correct. Now question number 16. Let's see question number 16. In question number 16, coordinate geometry, three vertices of a parallelogram are given. A as minus 2 comma 3, B is 6 comma 7, C is 8 comma 3. We have to find out D. Let's take x comma y. And we know in a parallelogram diagonals bisect each other. So diagonal, one diagonal AC and another diagonal BD. So we know diagonal of diagonal midpoint of, not that one, midpoint of AC. What we have to take? Midpoint of AC is equal to midpoint of BD. So minus 2 plus 8 by 2, because midpoint formula is what? X1 plus x2 by 2 comma y1 plus y2 by 2, minus 2 minus 2 plus 8 by 2 comma 3 plus 3 by 2. Here this is x1, y1, x2, y2 in the first case. X1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. In the second case, again, this is x1, y1, this is x2, y2. In this case, what it will be? 6 plus x by 2, comma 7 plus y by 2. Now we have to equate both. This is 6 by 2, comma 6 by 2 is equal to 6 plus x by 2, comma 7 plus y by 2. So that means what? 6 plus x by 2 is equal to 6 by 2. 2 cancel. These two are equated. These two must be equated and these two must be equated. So by this what we get? 6 plus x is equal to 6. X is equal to 6 minus 6, 0. Similarly, 7 plus y by 2 is equal to 6 by 2. 2 cancel. 7 plus y is equal to 6. Y is equal to 6 minus 7. Y is equal to minus 1. So x is equal to 0, y is equal to minus 1. Therefore, d is what? 0, comma minus 1. So this is what? 16th question answer. Option D is correct. Option D. Now, let's see the next question. Question number 17. In question number 17, it is given that P of E plus P of E bar is equal to Q. We know sum of complementary events, probabilities of sum of probabilities of complementary events is 1. So we know P of E plus P of E bar is 1. That means what? By this we should understand Q is equal to 1. And here they are asking to find Q square minus 4. So what? 1 square minus 4, which is 1 minus 4, that is minus 3. So option, which option is minus 3 here? 17th question. Option A is minus 3. So 17th question answer is A. Now coming to question number 18. Yes, here also figure is given. So if we draw the figure, one circle, two circles are given in this. This is one circle. Let's take one more circle. Now these two are intersecting externally, touching externally, and in between line, what? Tangent, common tangent. Two common tangents. This is one common tangent and this is one more common tangent. Like this figure is given. So here the question, this is A, this is Q, this is P, this is R, this is P. In question it is given AP is equal to 4.2 and they are asking to find QR. So here when AP is 4.2, we know AP is equal to PQ. AP and PQ are equal. Why AP and PQ are equal? Because lengths of tangents drawn from an external point to circle are equal. So AP is equal to PQ is equal to 4.2. The similar way AP and P are also equal. Why? Because they are also same tangents from external point to the circle. AP is equal to PR is equal to 4.2. Now QR is what? QR is PQ plus PR, which is 4.2 plus 4.2, that is 8.4 centimeters. So finally we got QR is equal to 8.4 centimeters. Option C is correct. Option C is correct. Now next question. Question number 19. Question number 19 is about again coordinate geometry. Midpoint of midpoint of a line segment divides the line segment in the ratio 1 is to 1. Yes, midpoint of line segment divides it in the ratio 1 is to 1, because when you take any line segment, midpoints divides it into two equal halves. Let us take this is P and this is AB. Since these two are equal, because it is a midpoint, these two are equal, then the ratio will be 1 is to 1. So assertion is true. And the reason, to know the reason, we have to use the section formula to check it correct or not. Here what it is given, minus 3 comma k divides the line segment joining minus 5 comma 4 and another one minus 2 comma 3 in the ratio 1 is to 2. So let us check that ratio is 1 is to 2 or not. What we know, minus 3 comma k is equal to, formula is what, m1 x2, you can take k also here. So if we take m1 is to m2 is equal to, let the ratio be m1 is to m2 is equal to k is to 1. Then m1 x2 means what, k into, this is x1 y1, this is x2 y2, so k into minus 2 plus m2 is 1, x m2 x1 minus 5 by m1 plus m2. m1 plus m2 is k plus 1. Hope you all remember the formula, section formula. I am just substituting directly. K into y2 is 3 plus 1 into y1 4 by k plus 1. Now that is, by this we can write minus 3 is equal to, these two must be equated, means this complete x part should be equated to minus 3. That is minus 3 is equal to minus 2k minus 5 by k plus 1. Now that is minus 3 into k plus 1 is equal to minus 2k minus 5. Then minus 3k minus 3 is equal to minus 2k minus 5. And transpose minus 3k here, minus 3 there. Then that is minus 3k plus 2k is equal to minus 5 plus 3. That is minus k is equal to minus 2. So after cancellation, k is equal to 2. When k is equal to 2, we have taken ratio as k is to 1, that is 2 is to 1. Ratio is 2 is to 1, but they mentioned ratio as 1 is to 2. So assertion is true, reason is false. When assertion is true, reason is false, our option will be C. Option C is correct. Option C is correct. Now question number 90. Now question number 20. Assertion and reasoning. Here it is given circumference of the circle C is equal to 176. C, circumference of the circle is 2 pi into radius is equal to 176. We want radius. So radius is equal to 176 by 2 pi, that is 176 by 2 into 22 by 7, that is 176 by 44 by 7, that is 176 into 7 by 44, 11 4s are 11 1s are 11, again 11 6s are 4 1s are 4 4s are. So radius is what, 4 into 7, 28 centimeters. So there also in question also radius is given 28 centimeters only. So assertion is true. And what they mentioned, circumference is 2 pi times of radius of circle, that is also true. C is equal to, already we wrote, by using that formula only we wrote, C is equal to 2 pi into radius. So what here, assertion is true, reason is true, and reason is the correct explanation of assertion. So option A is correct. So these are the 20 bits, and I mentioned in one of the video that for objective you have to take 40 minutes. Time should be taken 40 minutes. See, exactly nearly within 40 minutes we completed. If you are being perfect everywhere, you can complete your objective solutions in 40 minutes. And these are the answers of SET1 Mathematics Standard year 23-24. Hope this video will help you all to find out how many answers you wrote correct and how many marks you will score. Thank you. We'll come again with one more video.